Kadyrov TikTok warriors busy defending the motherland by looting an electronics store for over 30 minutes in Glushkovo-Kursk region. The town falls in the area now cut off from reinforcements with bridges destroyed by the Ukrainian forces. This is one of the stories which leaves me laughing. Russians tracked an Ukrainian M270, which fired a salvo of GMLRS. Then they lost eye contact and found a few kilometers from the firing position what they thought was the M270. It was, however, an inflatable decoy. Russians apparently didn't notice this and called in an Iskander-M strike. Even the drone footage shows the inflatable rail above the cabin. Russians even added a real pic where you can see the difference. 4 million missile just wasted on a piece of plastic. Congratulations, Ivan. During the surprise incursion into Kursk region, Ukraine managed to capture an unprecedented amount of Russian troops, many of them conscripts. While awaiting exchange, the Ukrainian side granted foreign journalists access to the prison where they are being held. The Ukrainian incursion caught the Russians by surprise, and abandoned by their commanders, many Russian troops chose to surrender. According to the head of the prison, about 320 Russian soldiers have passed through this facility in the last 10 days. One of the interviewees said he injured himself with his own grenade in hopes he would die and not be taken prisoner. Ukrainian soldiers provided him first aid and then evacuated him to a clinic where he was x-rayed and had surgery to remove shrapnel from his wounds. Another said, "At first I was scared. I was very much surprised. Then they told me, 'Surrender and you will live.' After surrendering, he was bound, blindfolded, and driven away. Later, a Ukrainian soldier offered to let him call his mom. Red Cross officials were also present in the prison at the same time, meeting with the detainees. During the visit, Russian POWs reported receiving proper medical care and regular, clean bandages. They were provided with 3 daily meals, including soup, salad, and porridge. Meanwhile, the increased number of captured Russian POWs gives hope to families of Ukrainian defenders, enduring brutal conditions in Russian prisons. This morning we have replenished the exchange fund for our country, Zelensky said in an announcement on Saturday. The 79th Brigade destroyed 1 armored vehicle, killed 11 enemy soldiers, and injured 8 more in recent attacks. Additionally, Ukrainian scouts located an enemy 120mm mortar position, which was then precisely targeted by drone strikes. The brigade's air defense also shot down a Russian reconnaissance drone. This is how Iskander-M ballistic missiles are launched by rocket launchers on the territory of Ukraine. Ukrainian main intelligence directorate showcased the destruction of Russian equipment using the Psych systems. The footage captures the combat operations of the partisan group from the 9th Department of the HUR. The Psych systems have a range that allows them to operate unexpectedly and effectively. A resident of the Kursk region said everything he thinks about Putin.
Андрей Федорович Горбачов. Нічого себе потужне прізвище. Коротше, брат, ти все, у тебе все є, пити, їсти.
Да, ви все, да, спасибо вам, ребят, дай Бог вам здоров'я.
Все, бережи себе.
Все. Бейте, блядь.
Все, Путін
повесьте
хто?
Хуйло, нахуй, повесьте, блядь, его, братан.
От души, от души.
Пожалуйста, повесьте его.
Все, слава Україні, брат. Давай, братуха.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.